Hey guys, good morning. So today, here's my project. I'm gonna try to fix this dirt bike because I wanna start using it at the farm. You know what I'm saying? Just trail riding. I already cleaned out the carburetor, so I'm about to put some gas in it, change the spark plug, and we're gonna see if we can get it started. Okay, so I tried putting fuel in it and it didn't work, so we're gonna try to change the spark plug and see what happens. All right, so here's the new spark plug. I'm gonna screw this in. All right, if this doesn't work, I'm gonna have to leave it for now and then change the air filter when I get home from work.